Hi everyone. In this video I'll teach you how to create modern and creative poster design in Adobe Illustrator. First, create a new document of these dimensions. Now select the rectangle tool and click on Artboard. Add Artboard dimensions and hit OK. Change its color to black and align it with the artboard. Press Ctrl+2 to lock this. Select the Type tool and type your letter. In my case, I type the letter S. I'm using Gotham bold font for it. Right-click on it and choose Create Outline. Go to the Object menu, Path and Offset Path. Set offset to 35, and hit OK. Go to the Edit menu and click on Cut. And then Paste in front. Now select the Eraser tool, hold the Alt button, and erase the half part of it, like this. Select these parts, go to Object menu, Compound Path, and Make. Go to the File menu and click on Place, select your image, and place. Send it to back. Hold the Shift button to select both. Go to the Object menu again, Clipping Mask and Make. Select the image with the help of the Direct Selection tool and adjust its size. Now select the Type tool and type your text. Change its case to upper. And change its fonts. I am using Helvetica Extended. Set its leading. Change its color to none. Open the transparency panel and add a fill color to it. Change the fill color to a gradient. Open the gradient panel and follow my settings. Set it here. Hold the Alt button to create a copy of it. And edit the text. Change its color to white, and change its font as well. Follow my text settings here. I have these icons, which I place here. Now select the line tool and draw a line. Create a copy of it and place it here. And place another copy here. Now copy this Illustrator text. Increase its size. And change fill to outline. Send it to back with background. Create a copy of it. Select both and go to the Object menu, Blend, and Make. Set specified steps to 14. And decrease its opacity. Create a copy of the S text. And paste in front. Apply the gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Select the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Apply the gradient to it. Set one side black color opacity to 0%. Type to radial. And place it here. And select it with a background and send it to back. Then trim its view. And create multiple copies. And that's it. If you have any question, please ask in the comments section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic related tutorials. Thank you for watching.